Did you know that Apple, the technology giant, has spread its production facilities across 17 countries worldwide? It's a strategy that's as complex as it is intriguing, and it's all about striking the right balance between cost, labor availability, and business environment. Take a look at Apple's recent move into India in April 2023. The company opened its first retail store in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex, an energy-efficient location run entirely on renewable energy. This move coincides with Apple's efforts to shift production facilities out of China, signaling a broader shift in the company's manufacturing strategy. But why is Apple diversifying its production across various countries? It's all about risk management. By spreading its production, Apple can minimize disruptions caused by unforeseen events like political upheavals, natural disasters, or even global pandemics. Now, let's compare Apple's approach to that of other tech giants. Samsung, for instance, concentrates most of its manufacturing in Vietnam and South Korea, while Huawei has a significant portion of its production in its home country, China. These strategies have their benefits, like lower production costs and tighter quality control. However, they also come with risks, such as being heavily affected by local disruptions. On the other hand, Apple's strategy of geographic diversification has allowed it to weather storms like the recent COVID-19 pandemic. When restrictions in China disrupted iPhone production at Foxconn, Apple was able to shift some of its production to other countries, minimizing the impact on its overall operations. But the story doesn't end here. Despite Apple's move to diversify its production, China remains a crucial part of its strategy. The country's new premier, Li Qiang, recently rolled out the welcome wagon for foreign companies, including Apple, promising equal treatment for foreign investment. This move illustrates the dynamic and ever-changing nature of global production strategies. The world of technology production is a fascinating one, full of strategic decisions and calculated risks. As Apple continues to adapt and evolve its production strategies, it'll be interesting to see how other tech giants respond. So keep your eyes peeled and your ears open. Stay tuned for more updates on Apple's production strategies and see how they continue to shape the global tech landscape. You won't want to miss it.